Hey guys, Micah White here. Look, I'm going to show you how I got over 1,200 Facebook likes in about 2.5 days for a penny a piece. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Micah White. Hey look, I want to show you before we get started really good. I just want to give you some, I'm running a Facebook page like campaign to my business page. And so what I want to do, I want to give you some proof of how many page likes I got as of today. And you can see right down here in the corner, it is 8:29 of 19 at 1 p.m. And as of today, and I just started my like campaign. Matter of fact, it's in review. As of right now, it'll probably take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes before it'll be approved. And then I'll start getting page likes. But I want to go ahead and show you what I have now as far as page likes, because I want to do some training later in this video and show you how I got these page likes and how I got them as fast as I got them. Okay, so as of right now, I have 1,016 people that like this page and 1,012 people that follow. So that's what I got as of right now, 8/29/19 at 1:20 p.m. All right. All right, people, we are back. And as you can see now, I got 2,278 likes, 1,249 this week, which this week consists of going into my third day. I think I started this like campaign on the 28th of August, and now it is the 31st of August, 10 a.m. So I'm starting my third day. So you may be wondering, how did I accumulate over 1,200 likes in a couple of days, about 2.5 days? And it's actually very simple. It's very simple to do. Now, the reason, some people may ask, when you're building your Facebook following, a lot of times you want to build up likes on your on your business page, to add credibility. And so, because when people come and they're looking at your content, they want to follow you or, like your page a lot of times. When they come over here and they see this huge number, if they see a big number, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 100,000. I mean, people, that adds credibility. And, people follow credible people because they see a big number, a lot of likes. They say, well, this person is credible. It's just human nature. It's just how we think. So you want to build your likes. And actually, this is one of the cheapest campaigns that you can run. I mean, absolutely one of the cheapest Facebook campaigns that you can run. So my recommendation, if you have a business page, build likes and keep content on your page, because the more content that you put on your page, when Facebook sees that you're active, they're going to show your stuff to more people. They're going to show your content to more and more people. And I'm beginning to notice that on my page. For a while I was inactive. I didn't do a lot on Facebook, but now I post regularly. I do Facebook lives, and I can start to see my engagement rates go up. But let's get into the actual ad and how I created this. And let's just go over to my ads manager. I already got it open up. Okay. Which I forgot to set the ad set name, but excuse that. Right now, as you're seeing, cost per result, I'm getting 1 cent page likes. And probably as I let this run, and I got it set at a $10 a day budget. As I let this run and it continues to optimize, this number right here will probably go down to about a 0.5%. Probably. It will probably go down as you let it run, because what Facebook does, is sort of like, calibrates the ad to the platform so it can run so it can run at its most efficient rate. So I've only spent right at $18 in a couple of days. Okay, and I'm just gonna go through and I'm gonna create an ad. We're just gonna walk through what I've done. Okay, so when you come in your ads manager, you have to have a Facebook business page, to be able to have access to the ads manager. Okay, you want to select the page that you want to promote, which for me is my business page. I got 3 of them, so we're going with Micah White. Okay, now when you're going after Facebook likes, okay, when you want to build a large number, okay, you really want to just target. I'm targeting worldwide. I'm not targeting the US. I'm not being very specific into my audience, because I'm just after the maximum amount of page likes that I can potentially get. So I'm really just going I'm just going worldwide on my audience. Okay, so let's go. Let me figure out how world. Okay, so I'm going worldwide with my audience. I'm not really doing any kind of age, no gender. I'm just going worldwide. And the reason I'm doing this, like I told you, I'm just getting the maximum amount of page likes possible. Once I get to a certain limit, what I'll do, I'll come in here and I'll start running a campaign, a more targeted campaign, more targeted to my audience, so what I'm doing is just what you sometimes want to do. You just want to get it off the ground. You just want to get a lot of page likes. Of course you don't want to get page likes from 100,000 people that is not even targeted, but just to sort of get that little credibility, run it up to a couple thousand, 2,000 or 3,000 people, and then come back and you can target down your audience. You can niche down your audience to the people that is interested in what you're doing actually. Okay, so right here, all the detailed targeting, I just leave it I leave it as is. Now by default, the system is going to exclude the people that has already liked your page. Okay, and I just went with automatic placements. I let Facebook go ahead and put it everywhere. And right here I go and I put the daily budget to $10. That's what I used. You can start with $5. I mean, $5 is a good place to start. And I let my ads run all the time. And that's it. Hit continue. Okay, so I'm gonna go with a single image or video. Now, the image that I use, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I use. I mean, you can use anything. I mean, a lot of times, it really doesn't matter on the image. I mean, you can use a meme. Facebook has stock images. They have stock images that will work well with a and, you know, whatever your niche is, you just come in here and you just type in whatever you're into. Let's just say, you know, make money online. Let's see what that comes up with. All right, and all you have to do is just put something, just put anything. I'm telling you, people are going to like anything. You do not have to have some kind of magical, professionally designed, you know, psychologically penetrating picture image to put up. I'm telling you, you can put anything up and it's going to you're going to get likes. So let's just put this one in. Let's use that image. And right here, see, this is going to draw this primary text. This text right here is just going to draw from your profile of what you put in on your description of about your page, or about you in your description in your business page. But you can edit this. You can edit this right here. And all we do, and I'm gonna show you the creative that I used, you know, and I just basically took a basic meme, you know, and I just and I used this right here. Money may not buy happiness, but it certainly improves the quality of your misery. You know, that sort of relates to a lot of people. And, you know, when I sort of niche this down and target, you know, more people that's in my niche, you know, I'll probably use this again. It's doing pretty good. But that's the creative that I used. Okay. Not afraid to show it to you. Okay. Hit review. All right, ad set name. You know, like I said, I forgot to name mine. Let's just go White online likes worldwide. All right. And that's basically it. Your ad name. And White online likes worldwide. All right. And that's basically it. You know, that's basically it. I'll save it to drafts. And that's basically it. You just hit publish, and what it'll do, it'll go over here to the, it'll be put in for review. And anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, your ad will be, you know, it will be approved. These likes campaign, you don't have a lot of trouble getting those approved. And basically that's it. I mean, basically you on the road to getting a lot of likes. Now, a lot of people may have different theories and different methods and different ideologies about page likes, but really, if you're trying to get your likes up, hey, you know, run a campaign, you know, do worldwide, get the likes up, and then switch it over and niche it down. You know, that's my recipe. But I hope this video was helpful. If you got some value out of this video, please, if you got some value out of this video, please hit the subscribe button, bell notifications, so you'll be notified of any new And also check out the description. Check out my #1 recommended opportunity. But this is Micah White. I'm signing off. Until the next video, hey, peace and prosperity.